All right, let's dive into the fascinating world of English grammar and explore the differences and confusions between some commonly used verb forms. Today, we're going to unravel the distinctions between will and going to, shall and will, as well as present continuous and going to. First up, we have will versus going to. When it comes to predicting the future or making decisions on the spot, we turn to will. For example, I think it will rain tomorrow. On the other hand, going to is used for plans or intentions that have already been made, like, I am going to visit my friend next weekend. Next, let's tackle shall versus will. In British English, shall is primarily used for suggestions or offers, such as, shall we go for a walk? On the contrary, will is commonly employed for predictions or decisions, like, I will call you later. Lastly, we have the showdown between present continuous and going to. The present continuous tense is utilized for ongoing actions or temporary future plans, as in, I am meeting my colleagues for lunch tomorrow. Conversely, going to is the go-to choice for plans or intentions that have been arranged in advance, like, I am going to start a new job next month. So, to sum it up, will is for predictions or decisions made in the moment, going to is for prior plans or intentions, shall is for suggestions or offers in British English, present continuous is for ongoing actions or temporary future plans, and going to is for prearranged plans or intentions. By understanding these nuances, you can enhance your English communication skills and express yourself with precision. So, whether you're making plans, offering suggestions, or predicting the future, remember to choose the right verb form to convey your message accurately. And there you have it, a breakdown of these verb forms to help you navigate the intricacies of English grammar. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be a pro at distinguishing between these verb forms effortlessly.